Should we go on?
Go on. Landing now. Introducing Lunar 01, the fully customizable mechanical keyboard with spaceship design. Power on. Lunar 01 has two detachable fidget spinners that can spin for up to 1 minute, powering you up like the rocket of a spaceship. The detachable pickup lamp can change lighting effects when you type on the keyboard as if receiving a signal from the universe. Easily customize the programmable knob to your desired key or macro. 5-side die-dubbed keycaps provide incredible feel and feedback that infinitely improves your typing and gaming experience. With the pickup lamp removed, it can be used as a phone or tablet stand. The bottom groove is compatible with Lego, so you can customize your keyboard with limitless creativity. Utilizing an innovative gasket mount, you can easily swap out the gasket or adjust the position to obtain the desired elastic feel when typing. Lunar 01 uses an EVA switches pad and precisely sculpted silicone dampener on the bottom of the case and between the PCBA and the plate. This configuration eliminates unnecessary noise and offers the ultimate sound and experience. Lunar 01 also utilizes a transparent PCB to provide a smoother typing experience. 15 keycaps, 5 cases, and 3 power engines build your own stylish keyboard just as you like it. With hot-swappable design with south-facing RGB LEDs, Lunar 01 can support both 3 and 5-pin switches. An innovative quick-release design uses an included tool to remove the bottom case in just 3 seconds for instant customization. Compatible with macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android, Lunar 01 can connect up to 5 devices. Featuring a separate battery for extended working time, Lunar 01 can be used for up to 800 hours per charge. Build your Lunar 01 now.